Everyone, this is Chandrasekhar Atul. So we'll be starting the journey on artificial intelligence. So together we will explore explore the horizon in artificial intelligence, look more insight into artificial intelligence. In this journey, we'll explain artificial intelligence step by step, from starting of its invention to whatever the possibility AI has achieved, and will be also utilizing this journey for understanding the industry-wise use cases. So from today onwards, we'll be starting from the basics of AI. So just keep watching this space, and we'll have lots and lots of knowledge into AI, and it's for everyone. If even if you don't know anything about AI, you will definitely learn AI. You will be becoming an expert, an SME into AI. Definitely will make sure that we are not going to unturn any stone in our uh, this AI journey. Thank you. Thanks a lot, and keep watching.